Sukha somsawi fera kogibo sengtai kirilia Lama himtini busu habibo lamtai korolia Kubui kothoma sui kelangna kakelamni theibai Sengno redi sini mantai sini tongtai rangcai Rimaya khe kemai thangdi take bengdi lama Sebaik kelang nai jenjal kai jono Hogi kelang nai lama ke beno
Manai salsa imang no Kui botang bojeng le kabaya Amotom sawi barnai kumbu bar Tagiti sanai rangcak tini ha Rimaya khe kemai thangdi thapla chawi komordi
Amai libor kring sini warriors sini Singgorpura baru Singgorpura kurangnya tuh segala macam segala guna kurangnya kau tahu kita sini Pumaro kau sekarang itu hembuskan kau we are from Tripura Agartala Northeast and we are starting our food march from Agartala to Delhi. It's 2,500 kilometers. Really? Agartala to Delhi just we are protesting against the illegal migration. Yeah, illegal migration from Bangladesh. So we are against the illegal migration and we are demanding the clearance of land. And we have one agreement along with the state government and central government. Okay. For 19 months ago, that of our indigenous people of Tripura, but still right now they don't have any action. That's why we compelled to start this movement. And we are believing the principle of Gandhi. Thank you very much, brother.